students. So we are doing our second chapter. What is the name of our chapter? The role of government in health. Right. Previously, what we have done, we have talked about health and healthcare in India. Okay, so what kind of facilities are there? Then we have talked about one case study also, where we have taken one example of the that person. What was that person name? Okay, Hakim Sheikh. Okay, so what is the today's discussion? Today we will talk about public health services. Okay, what kind of services the Indian government is providing us, right? So students, here you can see that the cost of a cure, you can see that there are two storyboards are given where two friends are there. Okay, so comparison given between the government hospital and the private hospital. We all know that what is the difference between the government hospital and the cure of private hospital. Okay, if we are going in a private hospital, okay, we need not to wait for a long time. Okay, so facilities and whatever equipments all are in well and good condition. We can see that they are very advanced. If we talk about government hospital, we need to wait for our turn for long time, and whatever tests and everything we have to go for, we the result for those tests we are getting after 2 or 3 days. So you can read what is given here in this story. Okay, how the doctors of private treating and how the doctors of government hospital they are treating. Okay, so this difference is given here in these two storyboards, or we can say this storyboards. Okay, so you all please go through and we will discuss on this matter in our Zoom class also. So public health services means what? Okay, as we have done, the backbone of the healthcare services in India are a stirring of dispensaries and hospitals run by the government in rural area as well as urban area. Okay, so these dispensaries are in rural area and as well as hospitals are in urban areas also. So their purpose to provide, what is the purpose? Their purpose is to provide quality healthcare services either free or at low cost, right? It is known as public primarily for two reasons. It is called as public dispensaries. Okay, for two reasons. What are these two reasons? First, they are established to accomplish the pledge of providing superior healthcare services to all citizens. And what is the second thing? The taxes that we pay are used for running these facilities, right? So we can see that there are two there are two reasons or two. What first, why these dispensaries are established? To provide superior healthcare services, and second, whatever tax we are paying to the government. Okay, so in return they are giving these kinds of facilities. Okay, at the village level, at the village level, we have small health centers with the trained nurses and village health workers who deal with minor ailments. Okay, so they work under the supervision of primary health care center, which is also known as PHC, primary health care center. Okay, doctor of PHC normally oversees the bank work of many villages. At the district level, district hospitals are there which have specific facilities for testing and treatments and watch over the functioning of health centers. Okay, so there are also some kind of, we can say that officers are there, so they are keeping their eyes how the work is going on. Okay, in the cities there large government hospitals are there, so the treatment at these hospitals is cheap, but most of these hospitals have shortage of medicines, beds, equipments and qualified staff, right? So beside public health services are also responsible for organizing health, we can say that organizing healthcare uh, services are also responsible for organizing healthcare camps in order to spread awareness about diseases like polio, okay, hepatitis, malaria, chikungunya, jaundice, tuberculosis. Okay, so at various time, or we can say time to time, these camps are also organized to make aware the people. Okay, for example, certain Sundays are signed as polio days, we all have observed, okay, on which children below the age of 5 years are vaccinated, right, against polio virus free of charge all over the India, right. Campaigns on sanitation and we can say that waste management are regularly planned in local languages by the government also. It's not only in Hindi or English, uh, according to the specific place language, it is there. As per our constitution, it is the, we can say that, prime obligation of the government to not only ensure the well-being of the people but also give essential healthcare services too. Okay, so it is the job of government to preserve the right to life of every citizen and provide necessary healthcare services. Okay, whose responsibility is this? This is the responsibility of our government, as we know the name of the chapter. If hospitals fail to provide prompt and timely medical attention, it could cost someone's life. Okay, so the neglect on the part of hospitals could have cost uh, any person's life. Moreover, as discussed earlier, hospitals cannot turn away emergency patients. Medical personals are, bound to provide all forms of treatment in the times of emergency. So, you know that what kind of facilities are given in the hospitals. Okay, so now, what does mean private health services? Beside the public health services in urban area, there are numerous private clinic, hospitals, and nursing homes are there. Okay, which provide specialized healthcare services. In rural area, there are registered, you know, medical precautionaries, which are, we have already done, RMPG. Okay, RMPS. These are known as RMPS. Okay, to treat patients in rural area, RMPs are there, and in urban area, hospitals are there, clinics are there, okay, nursing homes are there, right. These days many large corporations runs hospital, laboratories, and even undertake research and development in the field of medicines, right. So even private medicine shop are part of this system also. Unlike the public health system, they are expensive and within everyone's reach, right. So what we have talked about till this chapter, we have talked about what is the meaning of health yesterday or some days before. Okay, then we have talked about public health services are the backbone of the healthcare services in India. Okay, and are the steering of dispensaries and in rural as well as the urban area. Okay, in both the area these dispensaries are there. In urban areas there are numerous private clinics, hospitals, nursing homes that provide specialized health services, while in we can see that rural areas there are registered medical precautionaries, right students. So we can say that in the last few decades we have seen a remarkable growth in private health services also, especially in urban areas. The cost of services is very high and it makes them out of bounds for the common people. Okay, the rest of the part we will do in next video. Okay, till then, keep learning, take care.